mobile robots, tools for traceability and machine vision applications. Lots of ways to move the ball forward in continuous improvement and automation. These are the solutions that everyday manufacturing customers need to solve their most important challenges. And it's a great way to evaluate who my business partners are and how do I tackle those problems.
Got presentations, we've got a lot of interactive demos, we've got high-tech experts, we've got great food. They are a great opportunity to get out of the shop and really experience the entire NEFF line card in person. We've got a lot of people that come to these events that have not been to an event before, a lot of people that are new to automation, a lot of new contacts that we've made, so it's allowed us to have a lot more conversations and reach a lot more people.
Products and being able to interact with engineers and applications, people that know a lot about the products and be able to answer your questions right on the spot.
These are all tools that are going to help you improve your efficiency, are going to help you save on labor, help make you more competitive and set you apart from your competition. So you really can't afford to not come to these events.